I'm going to make it up on the floor, then instantly we're going to clad it, and then we'll lift it up straight into there. Tilting the wood so I can get that angle. Now I'm going to adjust the saw. Just go like that. That gets down close. Get your wedgie. So it does the job. That's all it's about, isn't it? It's the job. Looking after the boys. We've got the wedgies under here, actually, you know. This now should fit into there. Well, I'm naffed, and what's making me naffed is I got 15 sets of clothes on. 15 sets of clothes, and I got a job to fucking move. For a day, for a daydream. What a day for a daydreaming boy. Bring back my bundle of joy. So I don't actually show you how big this is. This is quite big. That's 18 foot by 10. That's above the door, and that's the front wall, but it's nothing spectacular. It's just a quick storage shed. Well, we're waiting for snow. I don't know if you can see it or not. We're getting a little bit of snow here. We don't want snow. We never want anything to leave us out of it. Watch your ears, Tapper. It's a long way away. I screwed the noggin up there, look. So the noggin can hold the one end of the wood. And I can hold the other end of the wood. Does that make sense? Cast of walking down. Oh, does it? I don't know. It's only 4x2, but it's soaking wet, so it is fucking heavy. Pardon the language. Right, here we are. Should fit that. What we're going to do is up it on there. You knock it. I'm going to put it there now. This piece is just, it was owed in the building square. It's like there's a fella over there. Not there now, I'll show him in a minute. He's dressed in like an operating thing, because it's a butcher place. A big butcher place. And he's dressed with one of them like plastic shower caps on, and he just stands there watching us. You think it looks like he's waiting to drag you in there and fucking chop you up or something. Unless somebody's put a contract in on it. Now, you've got to put your ladder here. And put it there. Gentlemen, man!
I bet you didn't even know to come to rob his cap off him, did you?
How are you? I saw your feet walking past there.
That's a fucking serious stick out. Winning!
Yeah. There he is, I got him. The Ills and Eyes. And that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4 fixings and 1, 2, 4, 6, whatever, 4 inch. So we're gonna make a door, finish the roof, otherwise fucking possible. The Hills Have Eyes, man. You watch that film?
Yeah. That's what I said, he's confident. Nothing wrong turning it?
Yeah. Is he still watching? Watch this now. Where's he gone?
Like that week he needed it, the drops all the little kids in there and kidnapped them. Like, kick goes missing every day, like.